Sociological paradigms are big-picture theories we use to study society. They guide how we ask questions and interpret human behavior. They are best described as the lens we view the world through. The three main ones were established by pioneering sociologists, and they are functionalism, conflict theory, and symbolic interactionism. Sound interesting? Stick around and learn more. Developed in the 19th century, functionalism sees society as a system where each part works to maintain the overall order. Think organs in a body. Each organ plays a function in order to maintain the overall order of the body. This is how Durkheim viewed society and its parts. Key terms in his theory were social facts, solidarity, functions, which we will get into in another video. So stay tuned. Born from Karl Marx's ideas, 1818 to 1883, conflict theory views society as a battleground over wealth, power, and resources. It focuses on class struggle, exploitation, and social change. Karl Marx separated society into the working class and the elite. He believed the elite to be controlling the working class and predicted revolutions that would turn capitalist societies into communist ones. Today, conflict theory includes themes of race, gender, and global inequality. It asks who benefits from the way things are and takes it from there. As the name states, it focuses on conflict and the power dynamics within a structure, institution, or relationship. Although nothing came out of his prediction of a communist revolution, the Soviet Union was largely inspired by his ideas. Symbolic Interactionism. Developed in the early 20th century by George H. Mead and Herbert Blumer, yet initially established by Max Weber, this theory studies small, everyday interactions. The focus is on symbols, language, and self-concept. It is focused on the meaning we attribute to things and interactions, and so is the most individualistic theory out of all three paradigms. All three paradigms offer unique insights. Sociology needs all three to understand today's world, and it is every sociologist's job to be well acquainted with all three. So your first stop, whether you are a student of sociology or simply curious, is to understand them and their context. In brief, functionalism explains order, conflict shows inequality, and interactionism captures meaning. Next time you scroll on your phone, shop in a store, argue with a friend, or vote, ask yourself, what structure supports this? Who benefits from this structure? What does it mean? And congrats, you'd be thinking like a sociologist. It's not that hard, and it makes for great conversations. Thank you for watching yet another video. For more of Sociology Made Simple, please like, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to watch more of my videos and share them with like-minded people.